على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا ومولانا محمد معدن الجود والكرم منبع العلم والحلم والحكم وبارك وسلم. Third derived noun is IsmTafdheel, the elative which is derived from the verb like Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul. The IsmTafdheel is a derived noun that indicates the comparative or superlative degree. For example, afdalu mean more virtuous or most virtuous. Like that, aqra'u, most reciter or the more reciter. And aktabu, and like that many verb we can, many IsmTafdheel we can derive from the verbs. The scale of af'alu is used for this purpose, for the superlative degree or the comparative degree, except for colors and defects, and also except for the thulathi mazid fi. The scale of af'alu is just used for the superlative degree or IsmTafdheel in triliteral verbs which doesn't have the meaning of color or defects, rang and aib. In the case of color and defects, the scale of af'alu is used for as-sifatul mushabbaha, which means it doesn't have the superlative degree on that time. For example, ahmar, it means just red, not more red or most red. The superlative degree now is doesn't consider in af'al. And like that, the example of the defect as a'ma, blind. So also a'ma is the scale of af'al, but because it has the defect, so now a'ma means just blind, not more blind or most blind. Tadween never enters the end of IsmTafdheel. We have to say afdalu, not afdalun. Like that, aqra'u, not aqra'un. And like that, all sighas of IsmTafdheel doesn't accept the tanween. The IsmTafdheel generally renders the meaning of the doer fa'il, but sometimes it can render the meaning of the maf'ul. As ashharu, it means more famous. Here under the table of the IsmTafdheel you have in the book, which is af'alu, af'alani, af'aluna, afa'ilu, fu'la, fu'layani, fu'layatun, fu'alun. And a new term which is used here, if you see af'aluna and afa'ilu, both are jama, the plural, but af'aluna is jama salim mudhakkar, and afa'ilu is also jama' mudhakkar, but it is jama' mukassar mudhakkar. So there are two types of the plural or the jama' mudhakkar in Arabic grammar. That type of the jama' in which the foundation of the singular doesn't broke, that type of the jama' is called jama' salim. Salim means save. That jama', that plural word form and sigha in which the foundation of the singular is saved, is not broken, that called jama' salim. As you say af'aluna, so the singular was af'alu, we just add waw and noon, and we didn't broke the foundation of the singular, that called jama' mudhakkar salim. And in afa'ilu, that called jama' mukassar. Mukassar kasr, kaf, sin and ra, it means to break something. So jama' mukassar is that type of jama' in which the foundation of the singular is broken. So if you see afa'ilu is made from af'alu, but the foundation of af'alu is broken here because here we insert the alif between fa and ayn. Similarly, you have in muannath fu'la, fu'layani, fu'layatun, fu'alun. Fu'layatun is jama' salim muannath, and fu'alun is jama' mukassar muannath. And fu'la has the same mean as af'alu. So as af'alu is a superlative and comparative degree as sigha of IsmTafdheel, so fu'la is also sigha of IsmTafdheel. So as afdalu mean most virtuous or more virtuous, but masculine, mudhakkar. Similarly, fudla, it should be most virtuous or more virtuous, feminine, lady. So fudla is replaced af'alu for the feminine for the mu'annath. And exercise number 15, you have some specific verbs. You have to make the sigha and the complete table of the IsmTafdheel from them. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.